Have a conversation over here by the Murcielago about the Gallardo.
Oh!
What do we eat?
What's up, sexy? Is this it?
This is it.
This is the new daily driver?
This is my new daily.
Good on fuel?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, great on fuel.
I mean, it was great in 1964.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. I left my sunglasses in the Hummer yesterday. I'm like, can't see. We're going sunglass shopping in the vlog. So Johnny told me he was gonna buy a 64 Impala and daily drive it. You know, this guy lives in LA, drives an hour and a half to and from work every single day. I was like, why would you do that? He goes, because I love driving. I was like, man, I feel so stupid. I just asked the same question so many people ask me. Why would you drive from Canada all the way to LA? I love driving. So this is what you're gonna daily drive?
Yeah, yeah.
You might need to,
after a little love, you know.
you need a little love, bro. These wheels?
Yeah, they're 13s, but I gotta keep it clean.
13s.
They're bigger than 14. You get kicked out of the culture.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
it's no
amazing.
bigger than 14.
No bigger than 14 and you get kicked out of the culture. Wow, this is really sick, man. Can't wait to see what you do to it. Does it have hydros?
Yeah.
No. Oh, no. I gotta see some hydro action.
So at high school, a close friend of mine, Charlie, had one of these.
Really?
Yeah, I was amazed to pick it up at my parents' house. My parents were like, who's that guy? We're like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Legit, 100% legit.
That's super cool.
Yeah.
So are you twin turboing the 64 Impala?
No, I don't know what the hell's wrong with that guy.
What do you mean?
It's Johnny. He just does Johnny things, you know? It's just, what is this thing? Like, we have room for that, you know? It's like,
He ain't from Temecula, bro. He's from the
LA.
streets of LA.
He really is.
Let's make this thing move.
I gotta get the batteries charged.
It doesn't move at all?
No, it's all dead.
It's all dead. All dead. Okay, car's warmed up. Let's go eat.
You ready to eat something?
Dude, I need food and coffee right away. Plus seems fine to me. What's up?
DD, what's happening? How you guys doing?
Good. Is that your car?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Dude, that thing is sick as hell.
Grab some attention, don't it?
Guys, this is John. John's a family member, DD fam.
Absolutely.
This is Ryan's old car from PFS. This is Ryan's totally Vorsteinered out 12C. You know how much I've driven this car, bro? Ryan's a close friend of mine. He's let me take this car to many car events. So, dude, I spent a lot of time in your car.
Damon's had some seat time, right?
Yeah,
on. Well,
it's a
cool.
really fun car.
Definitely.
Thanks for
Fun
watching
meeting
the
you guys.
channel, bro.
Absolutely.
I love that so many of the DD fam have supercars, bro.
Absolutely,
And you have
bro,
other cars.
absolutely.
You have a Mercy.
Yeah.
06 Mercy.
Yeah.
Dude's got an 06 Mercy Roadster E-Gear, and what was it? E-Gear, and what was it? R8.
All right.
Hey.
Well, I'm sure I'll see you guys.
All right, I found somewhere for breakfast, the egg house. Check out the turbo. Sick. Full big cage with the big wing.
Yo, what'd you get?
I got French toast, a small portion. I got some eggs and some bacon, some syrup, some coffee.
Coffee's where it's at.
And we already ate. We had coffee cake, but
We didn't have coffee cake. We didn't have coffee cake. I got a crab Benedict, you guys. We're gonna get fueled up, ready for the day. It's gonna be a fun-filled day. By the way, stay tuned. We're bringing you guys hot off the press all the details on Dave's Gallardo. What is the fate of the car? Are we gonna rebuild it, have a huge epic build series, or are we just gonna let it go as it total? But first, Egg Benny. Look at this. Perfect. Look at this. The perfect Eggs Benny. Look at that. I'm so hungry. Cars have come a long way.
they sure have.
You literally have like old school to modern supercar, like the difference in lines and
Well, modern-ish.
yeah, it's actually old. It's 10 years old.
That's cool. It's like an orange. I think it's called Vegas orange or volcano. I think it's Vegas orange. I've heard.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it. If I bought an R8, that's the color I'd buy.
So hold on a second. You bought me an R8 once. Why wasn't it that color? I'm really grateful. Okay, so I see the R8's up. Is the twin turbo kit done?
No.
So seriously, so the story is it's here because it has some maintenance issues. The brakes, the pedal is really soft and the AC is dead. So I dropped it off here like a week ago and I heard there's some issues. Yeah, so tell me about the issues with the R8.
First off, when you dropped it off, there was no brake, and no one warned me. It was parked in the shop, and I almost went through another Huracan. I started bleeding them, and a lot of air was coming through. I took it on another test drive, just kept getting air. Ended up doing a pressure test, and the master and possibly a caliper were gone.
Hold on, so the brake master cylinder and a caliper. So it really is the brake flare. But that's the nickname I got when I first got it.
You really killed it. I mean, maintenance goes a long way. But,
maintenance goes a long way. Yes, it's very true. And I'm not the best at maintaining vehicles.
I've heard. That's why I bring it up, you know.
Yeah, I just have to drive them. I don't wash them. I don't change the oil.
Hey, that's why, we're in business.
That's why Sheepy's here. The insurance company called me today about my Gallardo. And we haven't told them yet, but we have an answer on the life of a Gallardo. Will it continue or will it end? Stay tuned.
Is there something we can do to like upgrade these and make them Dave proof? Like what do we need to do?
We could go with drum brakes.
Yes.
We'll switch back. We'll go from disc and caliper to drums.
You're getting drum brakes.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Stop.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna Flintstone it. That's it. We'll pull the motor out of it. And
we're gonna cut a hole in the bottom.
Yeah.
Be Barney rubbling all the way to the next race. We gotta go.
Where are we going?
We have like a 5.5 hour drive.
Leave during rush hour? Why don't we
We're
just
going
leave
to
later?
Shift Sector and we have a hotel tonight with Alex and the whole Sheepy crew.
All right.
Hey, bye again. We'll see you in a week.
I'll be cruising all weekend.
You're cruising in the Impala. Fix it. Oh, don't make promises you can't deliver.
I'll deliver.
Thank you, homie. For now, I'm stuck in the. We're gonna call.
One of those little fans you can clip in the window.
Actually, I got one.
What do you got?
LA. Got you some AC. Plug it in your phone. Dude, snap on.
Plug me in.
Really?
Yeah, it's a fan. There you go.
That's so cool. It does nothing.
It does nothing.
And the road trip. Road trip to Shift Sector begins. All right. Gas stop, pee stop, food stop, snack stop. Tons of traffic. This is the worst time to drive in LA. Dave's peeing. I need snacks. Oh, drinks. Drinks. Triple X. You feel better?
Yeah, I bought some cookies.
You're alive?
I'm way better now.
Cookies. Bro. We got an hour still to go in traffic.
Wow. Look at that G-Wagon, G63 limo. Can we please rent that one night? Yeah. Drive around Rodeo? No, take it on Mulholland Drive. Currently in a tunnel, stop. But here, let's rev it a little bit. Let's hear it. It sounds pretty good.
All right, bro.
Dude.
Hey.
Hey.
We had to stop in.
Yes.
And Choi is getting something done to his car, so Alex had to jump in there and help him out. But look at Brian's car.
Beautiful.
Sick, bro. He's got the carbon front splitter, the carbon side skirts, and now a really cool like carbon little duckbill at the end. That F12 and the sound of it. You wanna check it out?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta wait till he pulls out of the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. Look at this. Look at the carbon. That new splitter. That is so nice. And then he's got the side skirts. Dude. That's pretty unreal. I love it.
Thanks, brother.
It looks so much more aggressive.
Yes. Yes.
And coming in and out of stuff, be careful.
Yeah.
That was with the lift up?
Yeah.
It was just like, dude, it's like, yeah.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. I like this part. Yeah. All right.
All right. All right, Dave.
See you, dude. Good to see you.
We got to hear this on the way out.
I want one of those. We should have a conversation over here by the Murcielago about the Gallardo.
What about it?
Well, we got the phone call today.
We did get the phone call today.
I told the audience earlier we'd tell them when I was with the R8.
Yeah.
So here's a verdict. The car currently has $60,000 in bodywork, $15,000 in suspension work, $6,000 for wheel plus miscellaneous. At the end of the day, total loss.
Yeah, it's a write-off.
No more Gallardo.
So it ain't coming back.
Nope.
In the sense that we're not buying it back either.
We're not buying it back.
No.
For me, it's like, it's not meant to be. You know, it happened, I didn't get hurt, she didn't get hurt, move on.
Yeah. So do we get another stick Gallardo and do what we were gonna do to yours? Or do we just say, you know what? For 2 weeks, been there, done that, get something else.
2 weeks. Yeah, I want to hear from the audience. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. Like, what should I get next?
Lamborghini, like just in general, stick with Lamborghini. Or do we go with a completely different brand?
So Lamborghini, Ferrari. I have a problem with McLaren. A lot of my friends have them, so we don't want to. I feel like we'd be too similar. Even though we have a Huracan, I know. We're working on making the Huracan different. Now, you know who you got to ask?
Who?
He's on a hot streak.
Who?
Alex Choi.
Where is he?
Right there in his RS7.
Yeah.
He'll have some good ideas. Probably some bad ones too, but we sift through the bad ones and we find the good ones. So ask Alex.
All right, guys. In this episode of Ask Alex, now people have been saying like, get another Gallardo, get another manual Gallardo. I personally feel like it's not meant to be.
Super Trofeo Stradale cost.
I have no idea.
That would be a sick car.
Super Trofeo Stradale.
Very collectible.
Yeah.
Doesn't go down in value. And
Okay.
it's an all-around sick car. I think only like 150 of them exist in the world.
Seriously?
Yeah. They're very rare.
I know they were that rare. I thought it was
They're not.
500.
Maybe. Could be wrong. I don't know.
Somebody in the comments will let us know. I appreciate whoever you are.
Yeah.
What about leaving the Lamborghini family? Ferrari.
Dude, I don't know. I don't think you can get a better car than a Lamborghini. I'm such a Lamborghini fan.
I know. I love Lamborghini. But I mean, the audience really wants to see another 458 on the channel. I've always loved 458s.
458s are cool. They're just, if you ever drive one, they're just slow. They're like slower than an M3.
Damn it, are they actually slower than the Gallardo?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
No.
Way slower.
Really?
Way slower. They're pretty slow. They sound amazing though. They sound like Formula 1 cars.
What about McLaren? Like a 570S?
You know what car I really wanted for a very long time? Manual Porsche GT3. The brand new ones. With all the cool features, all the modern stuff, very comfortable. It's manual, it's collectible, doesn't depreciate, very comfortable, and sounds amazing on Instagram.
That's actually a good point.
Porsche GT3 manual.
They're sick.
I wanted that car for a really long time. Really, really long time.
So we've got 458, STS, manual GT3, maybe a 570S, change things up a little bit.
For me, it'd be between an STS or definitely a GT3 manual.
Well, now it's up to you. Comment below what car should I get. I need to make a choice like the next week. I get paid out for the Gallardo, I think in a week from now-ish. So I want to get another car right away. Let me know.
You ready to go eat?
I'm starving.
Starving. Oh!
What do we eat?
What's up, sexy? What are we eating? What are we eating? What are we eating?
I don't know, what are we eating?
I don't know. What are we eating?
I'm hungry.
Don't say tacos.
Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell.
How?
My man.
No!
Taco Bell?
I'm Mexican. I eat real Mexican food.
That's not real Mexican food. Ouch! That hurt? That hurts! Boom, DDE, here we are at the gas station. Driving along, and Damon's like, Dave, look out the window, there'll be some flames. And legit, this thing makes some flames.
Big flames.
Big flames.
Although, ironically, I was able to make it more consistent on the drive down. I was trying to be like consistently doing it in that 6th gear, like I said.
Yeah.
And it wasn't doing it. Half mile racing tomorrow, you guys. We're gonna race a Murcielago. We're not gonna win. Mark Guttersnake challenged me to try to hit 150 in this thing in the half mile.
Easy.
Apparently not.
Ready to go?
Hey, you wanna know a fun fact?
No.
I bought this like ice creamy thing, or frozen yogurt, whatever it is. It's from Mexico. It's a Mexican dessert. And the beer we just bought is from Mexico.
Hold on, it would melt from Mexico.
We're doing...
It's so hot there.
Hold on. It is melting.
Oh! Well, you guys, we've arrived. Porsches, AMG, there's Damon.
Name all the cars. None of this like Porsche, Mercedes. Name the models.
All right.
What do we got?
911 GTR. That is a GT3 RS. Correct. That is a Porsche Cayenne with a lift kit, looks like.
It is, dude. It's got like off-road tires in it.
that is a Cadillac Escalade.
We got a Lancer, a GTR. We got some actually really cool cars over here on the right.
Oh, there's Jason.
We have a Jason.
Hit him, hit him, hit him.
How was the drive in?
Awesome. Dude, we were ripping. Crazy trailer GTR over here with some really sick wheels.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, over here. This one. Wow. It's got a parachute on it.
All right. Look at those guys. Put your door up. What are you doing? Hey? For those guys. Showing up late, doors up, no big deal. Just Corvette out. Boom.
That tire is like...
It's like a slick.
Yeah, it's a donut.
This is creepy. Look, the hallway looks like it goes on forever. And then this way, I swear I just heard a door open up behind us. Did you hear that?
Yeah, because the door opened behind you.
I think you're just tired.
Okay, I'm tired. What was that? Hey, good night, Alex. See you in the morning, Alex. Tuning in your dreams, Alex.
Absolutely.
Tuning that Huracan tire slayer. How do you feel about the ramp?
I feel like poor choice has been made here repeatedly.
Well, guys, hey, guess what? Thanks for coming along for today's adventure. Smash that subscribe button. If you want some DD merch, please go to shopdd.com. Links in description.
I like the bedding. It's almost like Grandma's house. Huh?
Actually, you know what? That's an accurate depiction.
Wonder what's in here. Besides dead
We'll
bodies.
have to find out now. It's locked.
What's in here?
Subscribe.